Welcome to How to Fix a Joy-Con. Now, I've been asked this never, and I was like, hey, we might as well do this. So you see this super glue? Yeah, you put it right on there. Right on. You put it right on it, right? There we go. So once you got that done, you gotta put it on, right? Is it even on there? I hope it's on there, right? Okay. So now you gotta put it on just gently. Like so. I think. There you go. It's on there. I think. I hope. No, it's not. Wait. How? What? Oh, wait a second. So you see that right here? We just might have a little bit more. Just a teeny bit more. Okay. Then you just attach it on like so. And it fell off. That's fine. And huzzah, you have your fixed Joy-Con. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. See you later.